It's on. Oh, it's on. Okay. Oh, welcome people to the video. Yes. As you can see, it's black and white because we're back in the old days and we're outside. Well, people, back in the old days we didn't have gum. Like so. And I will eat that because we don't need it anymore. Yeah. That's so yummy. Yeah. Okay. Well, if you want to know, this is the weirdest day ever. So, what I got to say is this. I am a cat. Yes. You heard it yourself. I am a cat. Yes. I know, it's shocking. Yeah, I know. Who knew? Yes. Yeah. Weird, I know. And with that, we will go. Bye. How do you turn this thing off? Yeah.